negative 7x is greater than negative 2 times x plus 15 is less than 10. We're going to break this into two inequalities. Negative 7x is greater than, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this through, negative 2x minus 30. And of course, then we have the negative 2x minus 30 is less than 10. We broke it into two inequalities. And then we want the x to remain in the middle. So we're going to add 7x to both sides. And that's going to cancel out. And then we're going to add 30 to both sides. That's going to cancel out. So we're going to end up with 30 is greater than 5x. Now we're going to divide through by 5 on both. And we're going to end up with 6 is greater than x because that cancels out. And then we're going to do this. We want the x to stay in the middle, so we're going to add 30 to both sides. We're going to get 40. And then we're going to have a negative 2x is less than 40. And then we're going to divide through by a negative 2. Which is going to make x, and that's going to flip, and we're going to end up with a negative 20. And so we're going to add that down there to that, and that should be it.